All right, guys, let's do a trade review for gold. Check this out. This is a beautiful drop right here. Got the break in the trend line, retest right here, boom, drop, second drop. Right here is when I woke up. The price was sitting right here, and then it went damn like that and hit profit, take profit, which was awesome. This is on the small account challenge. I knew just $300. See what I can grow it to. But yeah, it's a classic one. You know, if I go to the 15-hour chart, you look at it. This has been going for the last 2 days. Look at gold; it's been pumping, and then we got the break. This is, you can see either of these can be a break. This can be a break. This could be the break right here, like that. But it's safer to go with this one. But I was asleep at that night. That was New York time, and then the price dropped down here, came up here, got rejected right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is a 2-to-1. Enter right here and got out right here. Stop loss right here. So fantastic trade. Let me see if you can see that better if I zoom in better. Not so easy with the black background. Yeah, there you go. Anyways, that's the trade. Let's look at the bot trading now. All right, so this is the bot trading. You look at this, $3,500 in 1 week. It is wild. Let's go and just look at for the last couple of days because gold has been pumping like crazy. And let's just go back to the 20th of January till today. And look at that, $1,288. $900 of that was yesterday. Gold was just going crazy. And then let's look for the month. We have made $8,000. Let's go back to October, which is when we started this bot, and we have made $14,000, almost $15,000. Put in about 16K, 15K, and up to a balance of $29,000 now. So $14,000 in what, 3 months? And I do nothing. All I do is wake up and I look at it and be like, all right, what? How much money did we make today? So, anyways, I do manual trading. I do this as well. If you're interested in using the bot, let me know. I'll get you connected with these guys. I'll probably be working closely with them now on some different things because, like, why do manual trading when you can just use a bot? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's incredible. Like, the results are just extraordinary, right? We've literally made $14,000. That's a lot of money. That's $5,000 a month, So, anyways, it's working. It's amazing. If you got questions about it, let me know. I'll try to share updates on a regular basis on it because it's fun. You can see how it goes, and high risk, very, very high risk, can get liquidated, but so far it's going really, really well. All right, if you got any questions, let me know. Talk to you later. Bye.